What you see here is actually a virus. I call it the reloading virus, the refreshing virus. I can actually not do anything on it. Thing just keeps on reloading and reloading. I can't even scroll. I virtually can't do anything on it. Hello guys, welcome back. This is Fitness Tech Solutions, and today you're going to be creating a virus using Bootstrap. You can call this a virus because you can actually not do anything, and the virus actually alters the normal action of a body or a page when it comes to programming. It alters the proper action or activity of a page when it comes to programming. So I cannot do anything on this page. It's just loading. I virtually can't do anything on it. There are different conditions for this virus to be effective. Number one, the page must have the content. If the page doesn't have any content, the virus wouldn't work because the virus is based on content. Number two, the time frame. The time frame is the most essential thing. That's when the page is just going to keep on reloading. And number three is the code of the virus itself, the coding of the virus. It's a very simple coding. It's not complex at all. Very simple. So today we're going to be looking at how to create this type of virus using bootstraps. So this is the code of the website we just saw. This is the code. You can see everything here. This is the code. I wanted to use a normal web page, but because of the content, I just have to use this one. Like I said, content is very much important. So method name viewports. This is where the bootstrap code starts from. Method name viewport content equals to width equals to divide width. This one is just trying to tell the system that whatever type of device the page is going to be loaded on, the width of the page should adjust to the width of the device. And initial scale equals to 1. We're not going to magnify, we're not going to subtract. So method charset set equals to UTF-H. This code is just to ensure all encodings. So this one you just see now. This one you just see now is the code for the virus. Method HTTP equivalent equals to refresh content 100,000 seconds. So this method HTTP equivalent, that means just trying to tell us that refresh the content of the page in every 100,000 seconds. So this code is just going to be refreshing the content of the page, refresh the content of the page in every 1,000 seconds. That's why I told you that content of the page is very much important. If there is no content in the page, the virus is not going to be effective. It's not going to work. So let's see this. We're going to save this and see how it does. Obviously, you cannot wait for 100,000 seconds. So let's just reduce it to something smaller. Let's go for 7 seconds. So you're going to refresh it, then start the countdown from 7 to 0 to see if it's going to reload. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, reload. It actually reload at the 7th second. But looking at it, you can do something within 7 seconds, especially if you are fast. But you cannot actually call this a virus. It's not annoying. You just think it's a little problem with our internet connection or something like that. But we cannot actually call it a virus because of 7 seconds. Let's treat it to something like 5. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, reload. It actually reload at 50 seconds. We can still do something within 5 seconds. Let's go for 1 second and see how it does. This 1 second, this conference equals to 1. It represents the seconds. Sorry, I didn't see that earlier. So let's go there. So it's reloading every 1 second. 1, reload, 1, reload. Actually, you cannot really call it a virus. It's not really annoying. It can be annoying, but it's not really annoying. Let's go for something. Let's go to the fraction part, the decimal part. Let's go for 0.01. Now we can call it a virus because you can actually not do anything with it. It's just reloading. Trying to scroll is kind of impossible. But we can make it more annoying than this. Okay, let's add some zeros. Be careful with number of zeros. If you add too much, it isn't going to work. Oh, we can't actually do anything on it. Okay, let's see if we have plenty much of zeros or plenty of zeros. It's going to work. We didn't actually see it. It's actually working. But just to keep your system in a safe place or make your system safe, I advise you to reduce the fraction of the second. And don't keep it running because it can kind of crash your system or something like that. I think it can crash your system or something like that. Or something bad can happen to your system. So don't just keep it running for too long.
Oh, Jesus. Like what is that your back?
And you can recording. So actually we have been able to create a virus using bootstraps. So I want you to like the video. Let's try for 100 likes. Subscribe, then share with your friends so that they can know how to create a virus using bootstraps. Our next video is going to be on how to add an image here. I had a problem adding an image, so I've already gotten how to add the image, so I'm going to teach you on how to add it. So subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you very much. See you next video.